Let us see about some important polymers now. First one is natural rubber. Natural rubber is obtained from the rubber tree in the form of latex. It is nothing but a colloidal suspension. It is a linear polymer of isoprene. Isoprene is 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Natural rubber is in the form of cis. Means it is cis 1,4 polyisoprene. It is a long flexible chain. It has a weak intermolecular force and it exhibits elastic properties. Natural rubber is soft, sticky and has less tensile strength. So to make the natural rubber more strong, tough and elastic, it is vulcanized. During vulcanization process, the natural rubber is mixed with 3 to 5% sulfur and heated at 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. Because of this, it forms cross-linking of cis 1,4 polyisoprene chain through disulfide bond. So because of the presence of this disulfide bond, it becomes more strong, more tough and elastic. It is known as vulcanization of rubber. Our next polymer is polythene. Polythene actually are made from ethene. Polythenes are of two types. One is low density polythene, that is LDP, and high density polythene, that is HDP. The difference between LDP and HDP is that there is a presence of branching in LDP and there is no branch in HDP. Low density polymer have a low density. They are having low melting point. They are used to make insulation for cables, as a packaging bags, making toys, etc. These low density polythene are chemically inert and tough, but mechanically they are weak. High density polythene are having high melting point. They are having high density. They are used to make bottles, jars, drums, pipe, etc. Next polymer is Orlon. Orlon is also called as polyacrylonitrile because the monomer here is acrylonitrile. When this acrylonitrile undergoes polymerization, we get polyacrylonitrile, which is also called as Orlon. It is used in making blankets as artificial wool. Teflon. Teflon is also called as polytetrafluoroethylene, as the monomer here is tetrafluoroethylene. When this tetrafluoroethylene undergoes polymerization, we get polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon. This Teflon is chemically inert polymer. They are used in coating for cooking pans. They are used to make valves, seats, etc. Nylon 66 and nylon 6 are polyamide polymer because they are having amide linkage in it, that is CONH linkage in it. Nylon 66 are prepared by using hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid as a monomer, and epsilon caprolactam is the monomer of nylon 6. These nylons are having high tensile strength. They take up bright colors and they looks beautiful. They are used to prepare brushes, scrubbers, saris, ropes, fishing nets and many more. Terylene is a polyester polymer as they are having many ester linkage in it. The monomer used to prepare terylene are ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol and dimethyl terephthalate. Terylenes are used in the preparation of fishing nets, ropes, trousers, tires, etc. In case of urea formaldehyde polymer, the monomer used are formaldehyde and urea. This urea formaldehyde polymers is used to make adhesives. In melamine formaldehyde polymer, the monomers are melamine and formaldehydes. These melamine formaldehyde polymers are used to make crockeries. In case of bakelite, the monomer used are phenol and formaldehyde. During the formation of this bakelite, the intermediate polymer novolac is also formed, which is used to make paint. Bakelite is used in making switches, handle of cookers, frying pan, combs, etc. The monomers of Buna S are styrene and 1,3-butadiene. Buna S is used to make inner tube of tires, motors, bubble gums, etc. Chloroprene is the monomer of neoprene rubber. This neoprene rubber is used to make chemical containers, conveyor belt, gasket, etc. Viscose rayon are regenerated fibers. Here the cellulose based material are treated with NaOH, and various chemicals and we get regenerated fibers. They are semi-synthetic polymer. Viscose rayon looks like a silk and hence they are also called as synthetic silk. PHBV, that is polyhydroxybutyrate, CO beta hydroxyvalerate, and nylon 2 nylon 6 both are biodegradable polymer. The monomers used in PHBV are 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid, where in case of nylon 2 nylon 6 the monomers used are glycine and alpha amino caproic acid. These biodegradable polymers are used as orthopedic device, implants, sutures, and drug release matrices.